Hi everyone, Annette Kessler here with a new video tutorial, and today I'm going to show you how to make a dry erase board from an old frame that I have, a wooden frame. So I have a wooden frame here. This is the part where the glass is, and I'm going to just measure the size of pattern paper that I need and then cut it. This is such a fast and fun project. And depending on who you make it for, you can customize it by changing the paper that you use. If you want to make it for a girl, then you want maybe a more girly paper. If you want it for a guy, then a more masculine paper. You can use, just customize it to whoever is getting it. Maybe for yourself, then you use a paper that you like. So now I have the exact measurement of my paper. I've painted the wood, but you can cover it with paper, or if the frame is already painted, that's even better. I'm going to flip it to its back side and then apply glue around the edges close to the glass. And then I'm going to simply attach the paper to the frame. I'm going to make sure that the side of the paper that I want to show is facing down towards the frame. And basically your dry erase board is finished. I'm going to add a little cloth pins on the bottom, so I can also add notes if I want, but this is completely up to you. It's a really nice addition. Again, you can embellish it with flowers or with any embellishments that you want. Again, depending who is getting it. And then all you need is the appropriate marker that you can write on glass and then erase it. And then you can write notes and to-do lists and whatever you want on that erase board, and it's really fun. I really like this project. It's a really good recycling project, and it's great for your office, for your workroom, for your craft studio, for your kitchen, for whatever you want. Please don't forget to subscribe to my channel and click on the little bell icon to be notified when I upload a new video, so you won't miss anything and you'll be able to follow all the tutorials and make all the projects. So thank you very much for joining me, and I will see you next time.